I've got a bit of time now, so I'm going to see what AI is, and hopefully it will give us some questions or maybe some direction on where we can go. My goal, I think, when I started this was to see how AI could be involved in my real estate business and see if I could make things a little bit more autonomous when dealing with tenants, when dealing with prospects, things like that. But I'm finding out that there's other applications that I think I need to figure out first. So let's just jump in. I'm here on Google. I figure let's just ask it what AI is. So AI is artificial intelligence, is a branch of computer science that builds systems capable of performing tasks typically requiring human intellect. These systems learn from data, recognize patterns, and make decisions to solve problems or create original content like text and images. How AI works. AI does not think or feel like a human. Instead, it relies on complex mathematical models and algorithms. At its foundation are two key components. Machine learning. This allows the computer to learn from data and make predictions without it being explicitly programmed for every specific task. Deep learning, a specialized subset of machine learning that uses multi-layered neural networks inspired by the human brain to process vast amounts of unstructured data. Okay, that's sounds very complicated, but so everyday applications of AI. AI powers many tools we use daily, such as generative AI, systems capable of generating original text, writing code, or creating images based on simple text prompts. Natural language processing, NLP, technologies that allow machines to understand and respond to human language, found in virtual assistants like Alexa and Siri, or customer service chatbots. Computer vision, systems that can see and interpret visual information utilized in facial recognition and self-driving cars. I'm assuming that means like when you're trying to turn on your phone and you basically point it at your face, it recognizes who you are as your passcode and opens up your phone for you. I see here there's an AI option in Google, which allows, I guess, for us to use Google's AI. So let's find out what are the other popular AIs? What are popular AIs? Tools? Platforms? Okay, so it's given me popular AI platforms vary based on your goals, ranging from general purpose assistants and search engines to visual generators and developer hubs. We're not at visual generation or developer hubs yet. Leading platforms offer distinct strengths for everyday productivity, creative tasks, and business operations. So we are looking at that business operations. Everyday search AIs, ChatGPT, I've heard of that. Perplexity, not heard much of it. A hybrid between search engine and AI, celebrated for deep real-time research and accurate source citation. I wonder if that's what Google uses, is Perplexity. No, it does not. There's Google Gemini, best known for multimodal capabilities, natively processing video, audio, text, as well as handling massive files. Okay, I don't know what that means. And then Claude. Claude, developed by Anthropic, it excels at document analysis, nuanced writing, and context-heavy tasks. So I'm going to say that I feel that from what I've seen in YouTube and other things, that Claude is the direction that I should start in. So I think we'll find out a bit about what is Claude. What is Claude? Okay, Claude is the family of advanced artificial intelligence models and an AI assistant developed by Anthropic, designed as an intelligent collaborator. It specializes in complex reading, coding, data analysis, and long-form content creation. You can interact with it via web chat. Well, that's Kale. Mobile apps and dedicated developer API. I don't know what an API is. Key features and capabilities. Claude is known for its natural and conversational tone and ability to understand deep context. Its ecosystem includes several main capabilities. Chat and co-work. Engage in a standard text conversation to allow Claude to interact with your local computer file and services to automate tasks and streamline your workflow. Okay. Claude generates, edits, debugs code using natural language. You can even use dedicated tools like Claude Code directly in your computer's terminal. Artifacts. Claude creates interactive, shareable mini apps, documents, or data visualizations directly within your chat window. Okay. And computer use and connectors. Claude can interpret your screen to navigate applications and can be connected to external tools like Slack, Google Workspace, and project management. Well, I think we'll have to delve deeper into Claude. So right now what we understand from AI is it's this magical tool that can kind of, I guess, mimics the brain to be able to think somewhat logically or develop. So what we found out about AI so far is that it is machine learning. So it's a computer system that's going to be able to take the information that we put into it and not only just spit out a result, but start to understand what it is that we're asking for it from it and help us to create better systems for our businesses. We saw that there's a couple of main ones. I think from what I read, ChatGPT is a really prominent one. I hear lots of people talk about that. Claude also seems to be a very prominent one. I see a lot of people talking about that. I see a lot of things when I look at AI on YouTube. I see a lot of things that have to do with Claude. So I think maybe Claude might be the avenue that we start down. Look to my next video to see as we kind of get ourselves set up in Claude and maybe try and go through and figure out how we can pick one specific thing within our business and try and figure out how Claude helps us get better. Anyways, if you're interested in this kind of content, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and hope to see you on the next one. Thanks very much.